Good afternoon, all. Am I audible? Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible?
Good
Yes, sir.
afternoon, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are.
What is the last one we discussed?
The cube problem, sir. 1 by 24.
Is the cube problem understood fully now? Any doubt is there in that?
No, sir. No doubt.
Proud, sir.
Right. That cube one is complete, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. This is one plate. Okay. Here I am keeping a charge cube. Understood this? So here is placed at the corner Understood the question? What is the answer? Quick.
Sir,
Q by 4
zero.
epsilon naught.
Zero, sir.
See, the lines of force will be emerging like that.
Yes, sir.
That means you can see lines of force go below and above. Understood this? But not through that because they cannot bend like this, no? They
Yes,
cannot
sir.
enter this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That means no lines of force. What will happen? Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Sir, I did
Yes,
not
sir.
get what you,
Pardon?
I did not get, sir, what you said. Line.
If you draw a line on this, will that line go backside? This is square plate, man.
Yes,
Okay. Lines of force are emerging like this. Can they go inside?
No.
That means they cannot go, no? That means they graze only, no? That's what a grazing means, move parallel.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Okay, that means
So perpendicular, no? Sorry, sir.
parallel,
Sorry, sir.
man.
Yes, sir. This is yes, sir. This is in cap is perpendicular.
Understood this? Followed this?
Follow.
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
You return this?
Yes.
Completed, sir.
So the field lines are right to left, right?
Hmm. What are this?
Yes, sir.
See, what is the flux through means?
Or exiting the surface.
Followed. Any one of these you can find.
Yes,
Followed
sir.
this.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is flux actually?
Charge and plus 12 epsilon.
Divided by area.
That area, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is A. This upper one is only flux. Here, what is the area that is perpendicular to the electric field?
2 pi r square.
It is nothing but projectional, you know. Projectional area perpendicular to the. This is nothing but what is that? They agree with this. Projection means if light falls on that, what is the shadow? Okay. Now you can see if you keep this as a vertical plane, if shadow falls, what will be that area? Can you tell? In the case of hemisphere, if you keep light like this, what will be the shadow? Can you tell? It will be a circle only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Hello?
Not out, sir.
Do you agree with this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Is the flux through the surface. Understood this?
It's understood.
This is the light. If you keep, imagine that is only projection, no?
Yes, sir.
Projection means shadow. This implies enter understood this or not? Any doubt is that till here?
No
Hello?
doubt, sir.
Not out, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Return this.
One minute.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Will you go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Right. Can you think about any other way? See. This is N cap, no?
Yes, sir.
This is E, no? So you have flux through hemisphere is flux through curved portion plus flux through what? Do you
Plane.
agree with this? So this, what is the flux through this? Plus this is what? Remember this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Remember, sir.
This is minus 180, no? Minus 1, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the area of the plane surface? Same thing you got previously or not?
Yes, sir.
Followed?
Followed, sir.
Hello. Right. See, some complete this.
One
Shall I
minute.
go to next problem?
1 minute, sir. Right, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Now,
Completed,
see,
sir.
shall I turn this? Now there are two methods now.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
there is
Yes,
a
sir.
one wrong thinking among the students. What they are thinking is, hey, all this we study, all these are waste, you will go to computer science, there is no use of all these things. Many people will talk like this. What is actually, remember, what is computer science? It is a science. unfortunately, people don't understand. This is a problem solving. At the back end, you'll be problem solving. For example, you have debit card. I don't know, earlier days, when you go to bank, a person used to go say in the queue and all. Now you have app in the mobile. You can use that and get anything, including your statement also at midnight. What is the reason for that is this bank operations, all that one person should observe. After that, he should break up that problem. Okay. For example, cashier duties, what he does, he takes cash again, deposits, all that. After that, he should write a program for each activity, system will execute. This needs lot of problem solving techniques. Those people are only higher end. Higher end engineers means I'm telling you the package you'll be getting 3 lakhs like that. For example, you have the higher end people, some designer, they charge even, because I know one of my friend, he'll be charging around 1 crore per year for a reason that he has that expert knowledge of networking. So that is not so easy. Now every computer engineer, there are people who work for 20,000, 15,000 also. They'll say they're working in Google. See, in MS also you have a watchman, no? You have another fellow, Rice. I don't know. Anybody here in MS, they know. Any MS students are there?
Yes, sir.
We have Rice, one fellow, you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Rice. Rice is
Yes.
what? He's a scavenger actually. He sweeps the floors and all he does, mostly. Do you agree with this or not? So he will say, where you are working means I am working in MS. So another fellow says, I say I will be in MS. So like that only I am working in Google. Actually the work they do is very lethargic. The last layer, after everything is over, the typing work they'll do. They'll say Google. So remember that to go to higher order skills in engineering or a doctor is there. A person who should perform operations so precisely that with minimum invasion. For example, one person, Dr. Ranganath is there, is a neurologist. Okay. And he is actually in Chennai Apollo. One of my relations, he within 24 hours, every organ got spoiled, means they're bending, like paralysis stroke, it is coming. So they moved pillar to post. I'm telling around way back, maybe around 20 years back, I'm discussing. Every hospital they tried, that did not work. Nobody could. He's about to die, we thought. Then that person was deputed. The condition is we should bring him pay the flight charges, and of course he took for his visit per hour. He charged 5 lakhs something. He came, young man, hardly I think 38 years. He came here. What he observed is in the brain there is some fluid developed, fungus. Because of that, it is activities are being decreased. So nobody can. If he is Chaitanya Narayana student, means they'll break the head and remove that, and that fellow will die. Sorry, we are unable to do anything. They'll say. This fellow has created two holes. Okay, what he has done is he has created this as low pressure, this as high pressure. So this liquid goes from where to where? High pressure to, so it came out of this. It came out. So within 1 hour, the patient, that is the brain. That means the total 20 minutes, I think he was there, including journey of flight and all, 2.5 or 3 hours. Okay, he got nearly 5 lakh fee plus other expenses, nearly 10 lakhs billing we have done. Reason is that precision should be there for a doctor, an engineer. I am there. I should teach all the possible method, the best of best possible to the student. Like that, each one has their own. See, for example, you have the local mosques, you will be there. Can those people go and join Mecca and do the same rituals? Is it possible? Is it possible, man?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Because there we need specialization, expert knowledge of everything, Islam, everything. I don't know how much it is, but they should have. Similarly, that any person who has better expertise will only get elevated in life. Don't think every computer engineer computer. You think there is a Mysore in Mysore Bhaji? Yeah? No, that name is Mysore Bhaji. Doesn't mean that Mysore is there inside that. No. So remember that your skills will give you the payment, not the degrees. If anybody are having knowledge, you tell me, I'll place you for an interview. You are selected, they'll give you 3 lakhs per month also. Because they are people. who stopped at 11th and 12th, they joined NASA also. You know, no? You heard of that? After 12th standard, people join NASA as scientists. Yes, Indians are there. You don't know that. They have that brain. For that, they have to utilize their IQ. For developing those IQs, actually, all the syllabus is there. Visualization, creativity, and all. You people are thinking, this is one exam, we'll write, we'll get one seat. After that, we'll study, we'll get job. No, they won't give. Again, entries will be there. Why should he pay you, man? You have to. Understood? So some people, they'll say today they're in Amazon. So after 6 months, you find they'll be in some other company. Why? Because he's going on and attending other entries for better packages. Here I'm getting 50 lakhs. There I'll get 60 lakhs. So he goes up like that. The person who joins Google for 30,000, he'll be there only forever. After 100 years also, even Google closes also, he'll be there only. Because he's not fit for anything. So you decide where you want to be after 5 years. Depending upon that, you work. Don't work for anything. Have a passion for what you are doing. Then you'll enjoy. For example, you ask Afzal sir, I take nearly 12 hours, not only now from beginning. Because I have a passion, I like teaching. That passion, if it's not there, my syllabus is over, why should I take now? Even now, outgoing batch, nobody are taking classes except myself. Why? The reason for that is, I like teaching. So without liking, if I opt for this, no, my view will be how to finish the syllabus. Only that money aspect only I'll say, I won't see anything else. So please understand why I'm telling all this is, you are here with one intention to learn the subject, concepts. For that, we have that passion to develop the skills. Overnight, they won't be developed, man. Mainly schools have spoiled, that is the problem. Okay, and recently I came to know that many students of this batch are from MS schools only, it seems. What I am saying is, if you don't utilize your senses properly, it's very difficult. Not only any field. My car driver is there. You should drive the car and keep the car so neatly with perfection. He should be appreciated for his job. He drives rashly, untidily, he'll maintain the car. I'll hate the driver now. Any job you choose, proficiency should be there. I think some people in Hyderabad, Bawarchi is very famous. You know that now? RTC Crowd's Bawarchi biryani, not other Bawarchis. Original Bawarchi biryani is Ekla Paradise. These are having some brands. Why? Because they maintain that quality, the chefs and all. Now the quality will go. If the chefs resigns, automatically that will go away. That should be there. You should be known for something. Understood this? So please understand that. Dedicate yourself. Because even animals were born, they'll go away, man. Like us only. There should be difference between animals and us, no? What for we have come? People should remember us. At any moment, I'm telling, when I pass away, proudly I can say, I have sent many people to IITs and medical colleges. One of the best. In fact, some of the students have treated me when I was in hospital also. Why I'm saying is that satisfaction should be there. When I look back, I should know, okay, what I have done, what I have given, what I received. You people above, weak and who will write that exam? How long you will be going like this? When anywhere after this, you get IIT, after that what you will do? You'll sleep for 4 years you sleep, you are IIT and they'll call and give you job. Again your entries will be there. IITians, why they are selected is, reason is, already they crossed one best exam. So they have better brains than others. Compared to others, those who qualified in advance, they have great brains. So companies usually first go to those people and pick up. Still, they're not satisfied with them. They give a chance for NITs. Still something, that means some people may not accept their offer. So they want to pay only 3 lakhs per month. Those people want 6 lakhs per month. They go to the university. Slowly that will come out. Understood this? Nobody will call you and give a job. It's one nonsense people are thinking. You become 10th class, they told, no, you finish this year, you'll see, your life is settled, they'll tell. What life is settled? You settle here. So nobody will settle. Life is always dynamic. There is no question of static. Understood this? Once you became a static means you should be a dead person. Follow this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So many people are feeling about this exam. Who will write that means? Who will do this assignment? Please understand this. My advice is love the subject, man. When you love the subject, if you have the reasoning, blindly memorizing, you will never. Followed. Yesterday, first time I saw a boy asking one doubt and he gave his opinion. I felt very happy. Then I read the problem because I heard no something I could not do catch up with that. Again, I have done that and posted. That type of student should be there. Slowly, creativity should be there. This is my opinion. This is this. Then we will be arguing. Then I will develop. You will develop. What is this, man? Like dictator, I'll write something. You'll copy 2 into 3 9. You'll copy that only. What is the use in that? Right. So this is some electric field is there. Followed what I am barking.
Yes, sir.
Find the flux through all the five phases. Understood? 5 phases. Front, back side 2, side 3, bottom 4, incline 5. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First thing you can see AFB. What is the flux? Can you tell? E bar and N cap are perpendicular, no?
Yes, 0.
Yes, sir. 0 flux.
For the back side also same, sir. DEC.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even for bottom also same case, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're able to visualize this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's flux here, no? Agree?
Agreed, sir.
Next. For this, tell N cap is outside, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the angle?
180.
180.
Today you have extra class, huh?
Yes, sir. KM
Come
sir
on,
is
sir.
taking one extra class.
Hmm?
For that.
Hmm. Why morning you didn't take class, huh?
He took, sir.
Extra class this is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This square, what is the area of that? Can we tell with the given data? This is B only, no? This is A, no? What will be this? B sin theta, no? Look at this.
Yes,
B
sir.
sin theta, no? No,
Yes, sir.
no, not B, A sin theta.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, what is the flux through hole 1? No charge, no? Okay. This implies that entry flux equals now this whole thing means you know 5 phases, no? What else is there, man?
ADEF. ADC.
0, no?
Yes.
In that, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Followed?
Yes, sir.
ADF we got, sir. EAB.
Pardon? So you got even through this, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Or this is E, this is theta, n cap. This is theta. What is this? Okay. So here flux through ABCD, no? What is the area of that? Do you agree with this or not? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
We went wrong here. So this is cos. So you will have here minus. So this is plus. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Understood if I go syllabus completion is easy. You have seen how fast I am going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to cope up with that? Frankly, it is.
Sir, go back, sir.
Cope up. You finish the drive problem.
Almost completed, sir. Now I'm in flux.
Still flux,
Flux
sir.
problems.
See, you don't talk like English lecturer. Almost completed. About to complete. Going to complete. You completed or not. That's all.
Till where you taught us we completed till
Sir, completed till there, sir.
So shall I go like this at this pace?
Yes, sir.
If you are able to pick up, I'm ready, man. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
This weekend syllabus will be again from starting, sir. Coulomb's law till
Yeah.
flux.
Yeah. Why?
Yes, sir.
You want any
No, sir.
reduction?
No, sir. I was asking.
Actually, that is always good, man.
Yes,
What is
sir.
that? Weekend portion you will read. You'll forget the previous one. See, this is a shell here. This is Q1. All are positive charges. Shall I do?
Done, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Doing, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you remove this, what is the field inside this? Can you tell? At any point inside, what is the electric field?
0.
0.
Do you know this, no? Therefore, do you agree with this or not? Therefore, following this,
Yes, sir.
followed. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Correct.
Completed.
Yes.
Complete.
Hmm?
Completed.
Right. Now you can see at the center now on the shell agreed on it.
Yes, sir.
That means some positives will come over here. Okay, this total is how much? Net induced charge is 0 now. Plus what else is there apart from that? Following this,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
follow this. So you have followed this.
Yes.
Understood this? Clear? Now this implies
Sir,
hmm,
sir, at A charge is Q1, no, sir.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till here? Okay. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
You can see positive charges are more or negative charges are more if you take. Which will dominate? This is positive now. Positive will add up now. So here what you will have? This side you have understood this? Front side the overall charge will be lesser compared to rear side, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That means net positive charge on front side is lesser compared to rear. Therefore, electric field due to this charge, the shell will be which direction? If I keep plus 1 charge here, due to this, it is E1, that is Q dash plus Q1. Due to this, it is this side now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which is more, this one or this one?
First one, sir.
Right side now, this will be
Yes,
more.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're able to visualize?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now see, the same thing will get here. Field due to the charges plus field due to the charge at A. How much is that? Do you agree? Which side is this? Right side only, na? What is this? Right
Yes,
side
sir.
only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood why we got this? Like that, you should analyze the question and then you will enjoy. Simply, you will mug up one formula, substitute that. If you don't get, you will get worried.
Sir.
Tell me, man.
Sir, I
Tell.
have a doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
here, sir, here it is written, sir, at C net electric field is 0. Sir, it is before induction, na?
Which one?
Sir, here it is written at C net field is net electric field is 0. Sir,
Yes.
this is before induction.
There is no question of induction and all. Always inside a shell electric field is 0. You know that, no? Inside a shell, what is electric field?
Yes, sir, 0. But in the left, sir, it is written, sir, net field is towards right.
Which one? This is only due to the shell. This is for shell. Understood this? The net field due to the shell is right side. Due to this, it is left side. Both cancel.
Okay, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Because field is produced means you cannot stop it. Followed?
Yes, sir.
You are not breathing. Does it mean that there is no oxygen inside your body? When you are breathing out, do you mean to say there is no oxygen left over in your body?
No, sir.
No, that will be always there. It will be net field is 0. That means the field that is present due to one configuration must be nullified due to something else. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Now understood.
It's not the question of doing a problem, man. The question of how you do the problem, the beautiness, what concept you learn from that. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
That is the reason why I teach so many ways slowly.
Excuse me, sir.
Now tell me.
Sir, can you explain that point, sir? Electric field due to charges on shell plus electric field due to charge at A equal to 0.
Inside, field will be due to any charge, man. Field you cannot stop. Understood this? It's
Yes,
like,
sir.
for example, one of the attributes of any species, we always get attracted towards the opposite sex. It's a common thing. Either he is 100 years old, 30 years old, the same thing will be there. There is a natural phenomenon, you cannot stop that. Similarly, that means there is some sort of vibrations, waves generated. How it is generated and all is a part of metaphysics. Similarly, a charge is there. Automatically, electricity is generated. Now, inside conductor, it is zero means why it should be zero? How it is being zero? That means the net should be nullified. For example, you take a normal sphere, forget about other charges. There are no other charges here. If you give charge to this, what will happen? Equal charges will be there throughout, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, at this point, there will be field due to this side, due to this portion, due to this side, due to this portion, due to this side, due to this portion. Net field is zero.
Yes, sir.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
It doesn't mean that there is no field due to this. Due to a single charge, there will be a field. Due to this charge, yes, there will be a field in this direction. That is nullified by a field in opposite direction due to this charge. You are able to get my point?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot stop field. Remember, field is zero doesn't mean field is not existing. Understood this or not? For example, if you say at t equals to your time is zero, sorry, age is zero means person is living or dead.
Living.
Living.
Because at the instant of your birth, time is zero. Your age is zero only, no? But still you are born at that instant. It doesn't mean that the person is dead, no? So similarly, it's a misconception that field is zero means the charges will not give any field. Yes, these charges, induced charges, they produce a field here. What I am saying is only due to the shell. Now you can see this is positive charge. Now this Q can be split up into two parts. Now one back side, the other is front side. This positive charge on back side, okay, will be clubbed up with positive induced charge. Now following this,
Yes, sir.
the Q double dash charge which is on the front side, positive front side, will club up with negative. No, so which side is more positive charge? Is the left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side. So net field will be, you can see, due to this portion, field, electric field is this side. Due to this charge, electric field is side. Next field is which side? This is greater, no?
Yes, sir.
So net field is towards right. Now this is due to the shell. Now due to this charge, what is the field? Left side or right side? If you keep plus one, which side it will go, man?
Left side.
Left side.
Yes, sir.
So due to the shell, due to this, anyhow that is zero on net field. So I am sending this side. This is I cap in agreement with our logical conclusion what we got. Understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Followed this? You can do
Yes, sir,
this or
follow.
this. Ultimately is asking what which side is the direction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
You should salute your school teachers, man. I don't know what they thought also. Minimum logic they did not give. Question answer, question answer. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
And you will get angry if you say that. Another problem is that. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any science, you should learn, man. What is the reason for that? At least why we were born, you tell. There is something totally good. Nothing bad in that. That is only we call it as God. Okay, whatever religions you do and all. Finally, there is something good. So here, for example, I am there. I used to be here actually. It's a classroom called good. I did something nonsense. So they kicked me out. I came here. Now, if I do not do anything bad to anybody in any way, then I can enter this. That means I'll go to God. As long I do knowingly or unknowingly some mistake, I'll go there again, he'll knock me out. Okay, you were born in this like the human being, you could not improve yourself. Okay, now you became an animal, or a lion, or a snake, or a monkey. Like that, rebirths will be there. Finally, one fine day, we'll be going there. That's what religion told. This is the purpose. That means there's a purpose for which you have come onto this, not to accumulate wealth and all. Understood this? So what for we are reading a subject, there's a sense for that. Simply mugging up, what is the use in that mental? After getting into IIT, I mugged up so much, means who will give me? Suppose they ask one logical question. What you'll do? The problem is you will feel that they won't ask. You're always, suppose I cannot buy a Benz car, what I'll say, Benz car is a waste car. The reason is I cannot afford to buy that. That is the reason why Einstein's theory was validated so much, no? He says that when any mass is in motion, its mass changes. So now you can see if V equals to C, M tends to 0, infinity, no? Because V square by C square is 1, no? So according to that, MC square, this becomes infinity. That means there is something which moves with speed of light and possesses infinite energy. What is that? We don't know. That is only we call it as God. So there is one metaphysics developed in that line. You do something you only don't know. Why you read chemistry, you don't know. Why you read maths, you don't know. Why you read physics, you don't know. Something you'll mug up. Never read anything for the sake of reading. See the essence of that. Right. Do this. If you introduce a large metal plate between 2 point charges, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Nothing will happen.
Shall I turn?
One.
Sir, we will have to take the medium of the metal into consideration.
Pardon?
We will have to take the constant, the dielectric constant of the metal.
All that you do and tell me. You're asking a question to you're supposed to give an answer. Hmm? See here, if there is no sheet, definitely they'll be interacting. Now you can see if you keep a metal sheet here, what will happen? These positive charges will induce negative now. So any lines of force will go and terminate here now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
That means the metal sheet, again, these lines of force also will terminate on this now. Agreed or not? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That means electric field lines from one charge will not reach the other charge. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
So I can conclude that Any doubt is there here?
Sir,
Since
I have a doubt.
hmm,
Sir, if the charges are equal, then we won't induce anything, right? On the metal. Means the induction will be nullified.
I tell what you're talking.
Sir, if both of those charges, point charges are equal, then there will be no induction, right?
What induction? I did not understand.
The inducing of charges.
No, ever. What you want to find, man? We want to know the force of interaction between the charges. That means this field should affect that. That charge is having a force due to the other charge. No, no charge can be influenced by its own field. You know that, no?
Yes, sir.
The charge 1 or 2, 2 can be influenced by force on 2 is charge 2 into E1. Force on 1 is Q1 into E2, field due to other charge. You know this now? Now, the field due to one charge will not reach the other.
Yes,
Followed
sir.
this? That means this is E1 is 0, E2 is 0. So, what will be the force?
Zero, sir. Sir, I was talking about the metal body, sir.
Now, what do you want to tell?
No, sir. I just wanted
It's
to
a
ask.
sheet. It is a sheet, not a metal body.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. The sheet. There won't be any induction on that, right, sir? Because if the both of the charges are equal.
Induction will be there, man. Net induced charge will be 0.
Yes, sir. Net induction.
Net induction will be there. Understood this?
Yes, sir. This one understood, sir. I had the doubt for the metal.
No, that charge only I'm saying. Induced charge net will be 0. Not that there is no induction. Induction
Yes,
will be there, but net induced charge will be 0. Understood this?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I worded it wrong. Sorry, sir.
Hmm?
Understood, sir.
Sir, what is that? Not be any electric? Then sir, line.
Which one, man? This one? There will
Yes, sir.
not be any electric field.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Can you select full page, sir?
Hmm?
Can you move the page leftward, sir?
No, that is nothing relevant to the subject. No, that's why I just
Yes,
disconnected.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir, completed.
I think weekend portion syllabus is completing. See, there is a sphere like this. Here ring. Understood this? Understood this?
Yes.
What are this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, which portion is there? Do you agree with this? Now you have to find the charge on that now. So what is the lambda for ring? Can you tell what is the length of A1B? Is it possible? Hopeless fellows, is it possible? See, this is R only, na? Center to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Roll.
What is this? So what is this triangle? Equilateral, na? 60 degrees. Similarly, this is R, this is R. So this is also 60 degrees, na? That means, what is the total angle subtended by AOB?
120.
What is the length of that? One third of 2 pi r, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? That means, any doubt is there?
No doubts.
But,
You agree with this? Therefore, what is the flux through the sphere? Charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir.
Is completed.
1 minute.
Completed? Understood this at least?
Yes, sir.
You know this HCRM question only?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell. That means HCRM you are not doing, huh? Hmm?
Doing so.
It is there in HCRM. Tell what is your doubt?
No, sir. Understood, sir. Understood. Clear, sir.
So understanding is your doubt, huh? Your feeling, how did you understand? Huh?
No, sir. I had a doubt, but I understood it, sir.
Done, sir.
Right then. Go to your chemistry class, okay? 4:30, yeah? Something is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Okay,
right,
sir. Bye.
right. Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Take care, sir.
Bye, 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 bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.